Hello!
Hi, everyone. Hi, we're here. Yeah. Tita, hi.
Hey, congrats ha. Nakikita ko kayo sa reels nyo.
Oh, thank you, Tita. Thank you so much.
Alam nyo, sayang yung jeans nyo. Mag-baby na kayo.
I don't know. Ewan ko. Sige, Tita. I'll have one right now. Makakatulong kung bigyan mo ko ng pera.
Oh no, she feels bad. Buti na lang I have Globe to keep me online so I can ask help from Google in these awkward situations. Okay, here we go.
Tita, actually, honestly, we're really both not ready to have a baby. I know you're looking out for the both of us and you just want what's best for me, but even if I look back at this time in the future, I know I won't regret it. I hope you understand.
Okay. I understand. Sa bagay, masaya naman tayo ngayon, di ba?
Yeah.
Gusto mo magkaraoke na lang tayo?
Okay.
Baby, 3, 2, 1. Baby, can I hold?
Ah.
Mali.